many of you have heard about genetically engineered animals?
I have.
How many of you have seen a snake with two heads either on TV or magazines or on the internet? Well, today my audience will be informed about the many facts about genetic engineering. There are concerns about the ethical aspects of such experimentation and possible environmental pollution. Today I will discuss the three main points about genetically engineered animals. First, I will discuss what genetically engineered animals are. I will discuss how they benefit us and the effects it has on us as well. Genetically engineering in animals is a powerful method of introducing desirable traits in animals, and scientists use it by using recombinant DNA technology. First of all, one of the facts was that genetically engineered animals was developed in the 1980s. Genetically engineering in animals is a very broad topic. This includes manipulation of the genetic code of animals of any species or of the same species. And by breeding animals is also a way of genetically engineering animals. And this relates back to my topic of the snake when I asked you in my introduction if you had seen a snake with two heads. Well, this guy, I read an article online by Dr. Lin that this guy, he raised snake eggs as a hobby, and as a result, he got a snake with two heads. Now that I have discussed what genetically engineered animals are, I would like to discuss how we benefit from them. This genetically engineering in animals is a new way of science. And it was always a possibility, but nobody ever came up with it. Genetically engineering is used for testing purposes or for research purposes to see how diseases occur and how to treat them. Also, this way scientists don't risk any lives, but they do risk the lives of animals. And if they don't work, well, they won't use them. Now that I have discussed how we benefit from genetically engineered animals, we can move on to my next topic. Okay, now I will discuss how genetically engineering in animals affect us. Genetically engineered animals produce certain vitamins and proteins that we benefit from. Well, not genetically engineered animals, just regular animals. And when they are genetically engineered, they lose these proteins and vitamins. And these vitamins and proteins are used for our defenses or whenever we're sick. They help us get better. Also, another thing that affects us is that now they have created genetically engineered salmon and other genetically engineered animals such as pigs, cows, and chickens. And because they have created this because it's more efficient and therefore it will be on the market soon. Another way that it can affect us is, well, not us, the animals, is that just innocent animals die for no reason for genetically engineering. Well, now this has led me to my conclusion about genetically engineered animals. I hope that you have learned what genetically engineered animals are and what they are, how we benefit from them, and how they affect us as well. My remarks, this was a very interesting topic to learn from since I didn't really know anything, but I did my research and I hope you learned something as well. And I will show you a little small short clip. These are all genetic